Kaizen methodology for process improvement. Productivity is very important in today's competitive business environment. Organizations seek ways of improving their processes, reducing costs, and increasing their benefits. Kaizen is a management system that aims continuous improvement within all processes of an organization. It has similarities with other methodologies such as Fives and the Lean methodology. It can be applied to any processes of industries from logistics to manufacturing. The concept of Kaizen methodology. The word Kaizen is a Japanese word which means improvement. Kai means change and Zen means good. Although the translation of the word is good change or good improvement, the Kaizen methodology refers to activities that continuously improve all functions of an organization. It seeks to involve all the employees from low level to top level within the organization. Kaizen is a continuous improvement strategy which can be applied to business, manufacturing, workplace, organizations, and also to personal life. Implementing Kaizen methodology. Kaizen helps to identify and quickly remove waste in all phases of an organization through improving standardized tasks and processes. Wastes can be anything that does not add value to a process. Wasted time, wasted energy, overproduction are the wastes. In order to implement it, employees in all phases of an organization should receive training on the concept of Kaizen. Implementation of Kaizen has 3 basic steps. 1. Encourage participation. Encourage participation step aims to encourage teamwork and ensure that all employees to become a part of this process. 2. Training and education. Training plays a significant role in Kaizen implementations. Employees, team leaders, managers should be trained on the concept of Kaizen at this step. 3. Quality improvement. Practitioners should continue to focus on long-term implication and applications for continuous improvement. Kaizen principles aim to improve processes because well-established processes bring desired results. Improving communication and collaboration within the team makes the Kaizen every employee's business. Advantages of Kaizen methodology. Encourages teamwork. Improves decision-making. Improves employee and customer satisfaction. Improves employee participation. Encourages employees to share their suggestions. Improves the quality of a product or a process. Improves safety in the workplace. Improves productivity. Reduces wastes, eliminates wastes. Builds a company culture. Trains employees to think for improving their works. Provides continuous improvement within an organization. Improves collaboration and communication. Disadvantages of Kaizen methodology. Lack of collaboration and communication hinder the effective implementation of Kaizen. Sometimes former employees may be against the implementation of new techniques and solutions. Lack of participation obstructs the effective use of Kaizen. Lack of management support decreases employees' motivation. Kaizen creates action plans for improving specific processes of an organization. These action plans involve teams and employees from worker to CEO level. All the employees can share their suggestions to improve the process. With this feature, Kaizen builds company culture and engages all employees while implementing the improvements. Kaizen and lean manufacturing have similar targets. Both of them aim to improve processes and eliminate wastes. Kaizen creates a culture for continuous improvement in an organization and ensures all employees to become a part of this process. The Kaizen methodology provides benefits to any industry, from manufacturing to healthcare. It encourages teamwork and involves every employee in making small, daily changes.